Did you know that the Galaxy S25 Ultra has a camera that rivals professional DSLRs? Let's find out if Samsung has truly nailed it this time. Welcome to our review of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, the latest flagship that promises cutting-edge technology and innovation. Today, we're diving deep into what makes this phone tick, and whether it's worth the hype or just another shiny gadget in a crowded market. So, here's the thing. With so many smartphones flooding the market, it's getting harder to choose the right one. Every brand claims to have the best features, the best design, and the best performance, right? The real question is, does the S25 Ultra stand out from the competition? Are its enhancements really groundbreaking, or are they just marketing fluff? Let's get into it and see if Samsung has made something that truly deserves your attention. First up, let's talk design. The Galaxy S25 Ultra brings a sleek and premium feel with its glass back and aluminum frame. It's a head-turner, no doubt. But how does it hold up in daily use? Moving on to performance, it's powered by the latest Snapdragon processor, ensuring smooth multitasking and gaming experiences. And let's not forget about the camera capabilities. With a massive 200-megapixel sensor, it promises stunning photos that can compete with professional gear. We'll put that to the test. Lastly, battery life is crucial, especially if you're a power user. Samsung claims all-day battery life, but does it really deliver? We'll break down how long it lasts under heavy use and see if it can keep up with your busy lifestyle. Now, the moment of truth. After testing its features and performance, does the S25 Ultra deliver on its promises? We've pushed this phone to its limits, capturing stunning images in various lighting conditions, playing graphics-heavy games, and using it for my everyday tasks. Spoiler alert, the camera is an absolute beast. The detail and color accuracy are impressive, making it feel like you have a professional camera in your pocket. The performance? Smooth as butter. No lags or stutters, even when multitasking like a pro. And the battery? Most days it easily lasts me through the day without needing a charge. Overall, it seems like Samsung has indeed nailed it this time. In conclusion, we'll summarize whether the Galaxy S25 Ultra truly lives up to the hype and what it means for Samsung's future. With its impressive camera system, top-notch performance, and solid battery life, the S25 Ultra is a strong contender in the flagship smartphone arena. It's clear that Samsung is pushing the envelope and setting new standards for what we should expect in a smartphone. If you're in the market for a new device, this one should definitely be on your radar. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to check out our other videos and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. We love hearing from you, and your feedback helps us create better content. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching.